Hi everybody. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to save the document in Google Docs that you have made comments on. So for example, this is your summary here in Google Docs that you have made some changes on. You highlight this then with different kinds of issues, so you would put a comment on this with your problems that you created. Comment 2. Okay, I'm just doing this real quickly. And you comment. So I have 2 comments here. Then after you're done with that, then what you want to do is go to File and then say Download As, and then Microsoft Word document. Okay. I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to say this is comments 2. Okay. Save this somewhere on your computer as a Microsoft Word document. And then you are going to go to your actual document folder here. So here is the document where it is at. It's called Comments 2. I just saved it. If I open this up now, it's in Word, Microsoft Word, and you can see my comments are here. If I hover over this, it has the comments here for that one and has the comments for this one. And this is the document that you will upload to your Plagiarism Draft 2 instructor. Okay?